Step 1. To start a measurement, use the camera to slowly scan nearby objects until you see a measurement tool appear. Position phone so the asset you wish to measure is on screen and detects a straight edge. Step 2. Align the dot at the center of the screen with the tool where you want to start measuring. Then, tap the plus sign to start your initial measurement endpoint. Step 3. Slowly pan the phone to the second endpoint, then tap the plus sign again to complete measurement. In some instances, you may have to walk to guide the measurement. This practice helps guarantee accuracy in your results. Step 4. This part is very important, so listen up. When you have completed a measurement and are ready to take a photo, position yourself to capture the full length of the asset's measurement. Avoid capturing half of the measurement in the photo. See example on screen. Instead, stand back to capture the full measurement from left to right or top to bottom. Another tip that will help improve your viewer rating is to avoid crooked measurements. Double check your measurement lines are straight before submitting all views. Time to recap, viewers. Here's the do's of measurement views. 1. Take your time. 2. Make sure your lines are straight before submitting. 3. Capture the full measurement in your photo. And 4. Stay aware of your surroundings. And now for the do nots. 1. Do not rush your performance. 2. Do not submit crooked measurements. 3. Do not show half of the measurement in photos. And 4. Do not impede traffic or pedestrians. Similar to all the other views on the map, measurement views are all unique and each require their own set of special instructions. And that means it's in all of our viewers' best interest to take advantage of the preview feature before claiming a measurement view. The preview feature allows you to view the scope of work, instructions, and payout to ensure the job is right for you. If you have questions or need assistance, contact our support team through the app or at info@iviewitt.com.